All right, again, traders. So it's Beneki again, and this is just a video what I'm doing again, following on from one I posted on YouTube and Instagram about an hour ago, where I got short from higher up here. Well, now we come into another kill zone session time of mine, and I found on this chart another trading opportunity. Seeing that we opened, traded up to the value area high, which is where I'm seeing absorption taking place again. So I'm anticipating a move back down lower now. So I've added another position just now short, with the thoughts of us continuing lower. Footprint chart, we can see, which I'll just pull over here. Let me just make this a bit smaller for a minute. So I've got my first positions in up here. I took profits down here, but then we've got here this red box. That's a stacked imbalance. And as you can see, there's loads of buying taking place into this stacked imbalance. But all these buyers are getting absorbed by passive sell limit orders from the seller up here. That's adding to their positions here. So aggressive buyers are getting absorbed by passive seller. So that gives me confidence we are going to see more of a movement down. Oh, let's get rid of that. We don't want that there. Let me just make this chart a bit bigger again. Sorry. So as I say, stacked imbalance, aggressive buyers into the stacked imbalance, getting absorbed by passive seller. People would be saying there's iceberging taking place here, where the institutions are adding to their orders. And as I say, I expect a movement down further this afternoon. So that's how I can scale in a position using the footprint chart and the market profiles. So we had this level here on another one of my custom session charts that opens at a specific time. Found the level, confirmed it with order flow with the footprint chart, get positioned, down we're going. Well, I'm going to get off this video now. If I remember, or if I get the chance, I'll take a screenshot of the after and I'll splice it onto this video or stick it somewhere or another. All right, nice one. Cheers, guys. Hello again. So here's another little update from the earlier video I made. So I got my short position, my scaling position there. I've got stop loss at break even to protect the trade. I got in, didn't I, from this level here, which we spoke about, which was my custom level on one of my charts. We spoke about the absorption taking place at that stacked imbalance, where we're now starting to auction down in towards this area here, which could be viewed as a bit of a demand zone, I'm thinking. So shortly, I'm going to be closing this position out fully, locking in my profits there for probably about 20, 25 pips. This position from earlier on this morning in London that I've still got running, I'll probably, to be honest with you, close half of that position out as well for a nice little profit on that as well. And I'll just leave half of that position running to do whatever it wants. So that's how I use the custom afternoon charts with the footprint to scale in positions and find other trade opportunities. Right, with all that said, I'm going to wrap this up now, take some profits, as I said, and hope you have a good day, and I'll catch you in the next video. Nice one. Cheers, guys.